यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य
ब्रह्मादिभ्यो ब्रह्म विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंशऋषभ्यो महद्भ्यो नमो गुरुभ्यः सर्वोपप्लवरहित प्रज्ञान घन प्रत्यगर्थो ब्रह्माहमस्मि सोऽहमस्मि ब्रह्माहमस्मि। ओम प्रपन्न पारिजाताय तोत्र वेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। May the Almighty Shri Lord Venkateshwara bestow all kinds of prosperity, health, wealth and eternal happiness with Paripurna Lakshmi Katakshams to you and the entire your family members and friends. Let us begin Bhagavad Gita, verse number 30 of 10th chapter. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहं मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्. Bhagavan Krishna is enumerating all the glories of the entire creation. Though the creation all in and out is because of Ishvara, but Lord Krishna enumerates few objects. Those objects can be alambanam for us for our upasana. And this upasana, which is known as Virat Bhakti, Vishwarupa Ishvara Bhakti. Because, for example, all the rivers are nothing but God alone. But when Krishna says, I am in the form of Ganga, then Ganga becomes a special among all the waters. We can invoke deity whenever you take a drop of Ganga, so you can see the Almighty. It becomes a kind of upasana method. And there must be something. When Lord says, there must be something special. So when he said, Ashwatha Sarva Vrikshanam, I am the people tree, Ashwatha tree among all other trees, then there is some speciality which we are not able to encounter till the date. And this Bhagavan Krishna, see, one sadhu was there. So whenever he travels on the road, if it happens to see two trees, Vatavriksha and Ashwatha tree, he goes and he asks the driver to stop the car, and he gets down, he goes and he sits for a few minutes and he comes back. So that becomes what? The perception. So the karma, the action, the attitude, everything is changed, transformed. When you look at the Ashwatha tree, you should remember. Like that. So all the objects which are given, they have their own the potential power to lead you towards your spiritual progress. Now, Prahladaha Ahamasmi, Prahlada Rishi, who was very famous and who was the son of Diti. There are two kinds of groups in our Puranas. As I told you, Bhagavan enumerates in three categories. So, Paraloka Vibhoti, Purana Loka Vibhoti and Ihaloka Vibhoti. Now this Anantaha, Varunaha, Pitruho, then Yamaha, Prahladaha, these characters and objects, they available only in Puranas. Prahlada, who was the son of Hiranyakashipu. And this Daityana means so the lineage of demons. Ditehe apatyam. So Diti means wife of Kashyapa Rishi. This wife of Kashyapa Rishi, so because he has two wives, one more wife, she was called Aditi. So she had also lots of children. Those children are called Devas. And these children who were called Daityaha or Danavaha or Rakshasas. Now you see, so one father and two kinds of sons. So one group is good people, another group who are endowed with bad deeds. It symbolizes what? So the same place on the earth, so you can see the plants, so one plants which brings the poison, the another plants which brings the nectar. So mango tree and the tree of poison, so the poison fruits are something which causes for the poison. So it comes from the same earth, from the same mind. Good deeds and evil deeds, they come. The same world contains both. It contains beautiful, at the same time it contains ugly things also. So beautiful things, beautiful enjoyments and beautiful experience, and ugly and evil experiences and bad experiences. This is what the life is. And when Prahlada is praised, when we talk about Prahlada, we have to remember by birth he was a demon, but who became a great devotee of Lord Mahavishnu. Though his father was a complete, a great enemy to the Lord, but he got his son as a devotee. By birth we cannot define anything. Therefore, in the 4th chapter we saw there are, if a person is born as a Brahmin, it is known as, Jati Brahmana. But he has to grow to be a Guna Brahmana. And he has to get involved with, to become Karma Brahmana. In this place we have to remember Ravana's story also. So he was a Jati Brahmana. By birth he was Brahmana. He was born as a Brahmana. But his karma, he was not a Karma Brahmana. And according to the characteristic, he was not also Guna Brahmana. The person who is born as a Jati Brahmana, he has to make himself as a Karma Brahmana, and he has to grow to be a Guna Brahmana. Then he is considered as a Brahmana. There are so many shlokas in order to say that. By birth, one who is born, he is considered as Shudra alone. Janmana Jayate Shudraha, that shloka says, so one is born as a Shudra, and by adopting the karma means like a initiation of Gayatri and all, he is grow to be a Vipraha. Then he has to become knower of Brahman, then alone he is known as Brahmana. Now he was not a Jati Brahmana. Prahlada was not born as a Jati Brahmana, but he grew, he became as a Karma Brahmana, then Guna Brahmana. So because always people, they are confused according to this Varnashrama Dharma, because of the wrong understanding, because now whatever the perceptions people are having, those perceptions are influenced by the Western countries. When you look at our rituals and temples and all kinds of norms of our Sanatana Dharma with the perception of Western, you cannot get a proper understanding. You will be confused and you will start confusing others too. But those perception, it seems to be very easy to follow, and it is also attractive, but they are not useful. So finally you have to conclude, you have to come back to our understanding, our perceptions. People who live in abroad, they are very much aware after spending minimum 10 years. If you spend minimum 10 years in a foreign countries, because it will take time, because it is very eye-catching, attractive, roads are very clean, and the natures are so greeny and spacious. In India, we have the density of the thick habitation, that because we don't have space, go to Mumbai and all skyscrapers and people are not finding space. But in foreign countries, lots of space, and everybody is enjoying their freedoms. All nuclear families, no, there is no family at all, because you can live and living together, what not. We need not to speak about those things, because everybody, they have their own freedom, but that freedom to be used with the free will. Now one who lives there at least minimum 10 years, slowly, they understand something. Though it looks like a very attractive environment condition, something is lacking. What is that lacking? That lacking is nothing but the norms and the what is that, the construction of Sanatana Dharma. This Varna and Ashrama, they are construction, beautiful construction, not to collapse, not to confuse anybody. And it doesn't even give the grades, so higher, lower grades, no. All Varnas are equal. Therefore, usually this when we explain about Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, so a Brahmana means he should have the tendency to give, to serve the world. Therefore, the supreme Vedas are given to him so that he could serve the world, because he won't hold anything. He doesn't have any selfishness. He doesn't have insecurity problem, my dear. A Brahmana should not have insecurity problem, because all nonsense begins with the insecurity problem. A Brahmana who doesn't have fear, because he has the knowledge. When you own the knowledge, you won't be having fear. If there is a fear, you are not considered as a Guna Brahmana, Jati Brahmana, Karma Brahmana. That's allowed. So when there is a fear of insecurity, fear of name and fame, fear of life, fear of losing the power, then everything collapsed, because people commit mistake out of fear. The Brahmana who doesn't have fear, who should not have the fear. Even the Drona who lost his Brahmanatva by having the karma. He was not considered as a karma Brahmana, so he was teaching archery. But nobody stopped. Even Bhishma didn't say anything, but it's a self-choice. Nobody stopped. And who prevent Ravana? You are born as a Brahmin. You should not become the ruler of the nation, and you should not own the nature of Danavas, means Rakshasa nature. Nobody will come and say. That's what Sanatana Dharma, that you can use your free will, but the Sanatana Dharma has the rules and regulations, so you will be punished. That is the unchangeable norms of Sanatana Dharma, because there is a strong system of karma theory. If a Brahmana means who should be endowed with selflessness, whatever is provided, he won't want. Usually even they should not have the bank balance and insurance. All these things they won't. Even people are asking me to get insurance done. Why? Why should I? Swamiji, then you need not depend on anybody. We are not depending on anybody, because we are dependent on the God, Ishvara. Ishvara will take care. Because people have their own perception and they are superimposing on us also, because they really care for us. I accept. They are really caring for us, but because of their insecurity, so they are caring with the insecurity. So like that, Brahmana who should be, no, I don't say any Brahmana who shouldn't have bank balance insecurity, but the norms. So a Brahmana who won't have the fear. If he has the family, he should take care of the family. That all the responsibility to be taken care of. Okay. Then the Kshatriya who also should not have the fear of insecurity, but who is By nature he wants to fight. By nature he wants to protect. Therefore, we say give dharma to him to protect. The Kshatriya who even sacrifices his life for the sake of protecting dharma, and who also doesn't own money, bank balance. Therefore, all the kings who enjoyed the lifestyle provided by the citizens, people, but they didn't have their own account. That is what the qualification of a king. And these Vaishyas, they have their own vriddhi. Whatever you give, they multiply it. Okay, then the Shudra, they are karma yogis. They are very talented people. Whatever you just you suggest them, you just ask them to get it done, immediately they'll get it done. That is the glory of. And Guna Brahmanaha, Jati Brahmanaha, and Brahmanaha. So like that, Jati Kshatriya and Karma Kshatriya, Guna Kshatriya. So these divisions are very clear, not to get confused. Prahlada, who was born as a Rakshasa son, but who became a great devotee, considered as a Karma Brahmanaha and Guna Brahmanaha. Guna Brahmanaha alone Brahmana. That's what the conclusion of our Shastra. So we have to remember a lot. Now this Prahladaha, so just you read the shlokas in Purana, in Vishnu Purana or in Bhagavata, you see the conversation between father and son. In the movies they cannot show completely because it has got a deep meaning of Vedanta. He alone says he was a Virat Bhakta, therefore he could proclaim God is everywhere. In each and every atom God is alive. But Hiranyakashipu, who was not able to understand, therefore he started breaking the things. Now there are more Hiranyakashipu than those times. People see these the dead materials. There is no dead material at all. First Vedanta says the world is Jadam. No, world is not Jadam. World is not inert. World is nothing but Ishvara. So that Prahlada who proclaimed boldly in the engage itself, God is everything. Therefore Nrsimha Murti, thus Narasimha. So he was manifested because of the devotion of Prahlada. With all the conditions of Hiranyakashipu, because karma phala. Therefore, he could see a love, a devotion in Narasimha Murti. Because Narasimha Murti, who is Ugramaha. Therefore, that shloka itself, Ugram Viram Maha Vishnam Jwalantam Sarvato Mukham Narasimham Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityu Mrityu Namamyaham Mrityu Mrityum Namamyaham. Who is a Mrityu Devata? For Mrityu Devata, I worship him. That Prahlada, the devotion of Prahlada, it brought Narasimha Murti out of it. Though it looks like a terrible and dangerous appearance, but we can find the love in him. That's what Prahlada's bhakti. I am Prahladaha. Among all these Daityas, I am Prahladaha, matured, who converted himself as a Brahmana. Then Kalaha Kalayatam Aham. Kalaha means the calculator of the time. One who calculates and one who assimilates and one who provides karma phala is nothing but me. And in Purana we have given the name for it. So name for the power, that which calculates, because there is calculating. If you take a computer, the RAM of computer, the configuration, that which has got a specific RAM, so that memory can be up to 3-4 GBs. But what about the human computer? How many GBs? There is no calculation. There is no limit for it because it is not stored inside man. It is stored outside. Now every human being, they have tremendous, innumerable thoughts, karmas, and known karma, unknown karma. We don't know personally what people do because they have their own way of thinking methods and working methods, and when they prepare, they have to work and they have to give the hard work. So all karmas, even a single bit of thought also to be calculated. And you think about that computer, how gigantic it would be. That computer is given a form. That form is Chitragupta ji. Usually, Gupta, the surname is given for Vaishyas. Gupta means one who can hold the secrets, because karma phala of everybody is nothing but the secret. So your karma phala is not even known to you. He maintains the secrecy with our own karma phala. That Chitragupta is nothing but me. Therefore, we worship Chitragupta every Chaitra Masa Purnami. We worship him to please him so that he will be favorable to us, because whatever he writes, Lord Hema, he accepts as the norms. If he writes so something wrong, he will punish, because Lord Yama doesn't have compassion. No, he has the compassion, but he won't wait for any adjustment. Just he will punish us. These Guptas, these Vaishyas are called Guptas, who could maintain the secrets, because so in the account, so nowadays there are so many softwares, even Tally 1, 2, 3, 7.2, 9.2, whatever it is, But what kind of capacity that he has, that power has, that is Ishvara alone. So Kalayatam means the device which calculates, which takes care of all the accounts of the jivas, not only human beings. So how many varieties there are? So 60 billions of human varieties, and there are so many varieties of other species. All the accounts are noted, Guptaji. Now even these Kshatriyas are known as Varmas. Varma means Kavacha, armor. They are the Kavacha of Dharma. They are Kavacha of the society. Even these Brahmanas are given the surname is Sharma. Do you know what does it mean? Sharma means tranquility, peace, and Sarma means quietude. So then by the nature, by the karma, and who makes effort for the quietude, moksha. Now this Gupta and Varma and this Sharma, they become the pillar of the society. And this, this another cadre is given, so many other names, surnames. So suddenly I am not able to remember the name. They are also given that meaning, it becomes like a great servant of the society. So because they are, see, these people are pillar, but this the Shudras are the backbones, because they alone like the bridge, like the foundation for the society. So our system of establishing society doesn't have any deficiency, any defect. Our Sanatana Dharma doesn't have any defect to establish society. Okay. So Mriganancha Mrigendroham Vainateyascha Pakshinam. That we will continue from the next session tomorrow. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namo Namaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.